Changing the site title on Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I want you to click on the website of which you want to change the site title for. Once that's done, I want you to go to the left side panel. You're going to go to website, you're going to go to pages, and here we want to change the site title on our homepage. Now once we click on homepage, we're going to navigate to the right side of the page. We're going to go to the top where it says edit. We're going to click on edit, and when we hover over the header, it's going to say edit site header. We're going to click on edit site header, and now we're going to go to the left side where it shows the company logo. We're going to hover over that also. It says site title and logo. We're going to click on that, and it's going to show us a pencil. Now the pencil is for editing the site title and logo, and we're going to click on that. Now this is where you change your site title. Usually this is going to serve as the alternate text for your logo in case your logo does not load, and this is where you're going to write this. Just put in the name of the company and I added logo to it, and once that's done, you're going to click on save, and just like that, you've been able to change the site title on Squarespace. Now that's how you change site title on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.